role of cultural institutions in preserving the history of the heart of Sindh town, Nawabshah, Pakistan. Visited today on the 11th of August 2025, at DC High School, Nawabshah, my hometown. Type of institution, key functions, museum, collection, conservation, exhibition, libraries, access, preservation of information, archives, document preservation, historical access, cultural centers, promotion of cultural awareness, community engagement. Cultural institutions serve as the cornerstone of societal development, acting as guardians of history, traditions, and collective memory. Museums, libraries, archives, and cultural centers are indispensable in their mission to preserve our heritage and educate future generations. This article explores the pivotal roles these institutions play in preserving history and highlights their invaluable contributions to society. Cultural institutions encompass a diverse array of organizations dedicated to the collection, preservation, and interpretation of cultural heritage. Among the most prominent types are institutions that curate, conserve, and exhibit artifacts of artistic, cultural, historical, or scientific significance. Facilities that provide access to literary and informational resources, preserving both physical and digital records for public use. Archives. Repositories that house historical documents and records, ensuring the accessibility of crucial information to the public. Spaces dedicated to the promotion of specific cultures, often through educational programs, events, and exhibitions. The role of cultural institutions in preserving history is multifaceted, offering several profound benefits. Cultural institutions protect both tangible and intangible heritage, ensuring that artifacts, artworks, and traditions are preserved for posterity. This safeguarding allows future generations to connect with their roots and gain a deeper understanding of their cultural identity. By providing access to historical records and collections, cultural institutions serve as vital educational resources. They support students, researchers, and the general public in their quest for knowledge, fostering a culture of lifelong learning. Cultural institutions often serve as community hubs, hosting events, exhibitions, and programs that encourage public engagement and participation. These activities strengthen community bonds and promote cultural awareness, enriching the social fabric. 3. Case studies of successful cultural institutions. A. The Smithsonian Institution. As one of the world's largest and most renowned cultural institutions, the Smithsonian operates numerous museums, research centers, and theaters. It plays a critical role in collecting and preserving American history, science, and culture, making it a global leader in heritage conservation. B. The British Museum. The British Museum in London houses an extensive collection of global art and artifacts, offering insights into the diverse histories of civilizations worldwide. Through its exhibitions and educational programs, it fosters a deeper appreciation of cultural diversity and historical interconnectedness. 4. Practical tips for engaging with cultural institutions. For individuals seeking to engage with cultural institutions and support their missions, consider the following actions. Visit regularly. Allocate time to explore local museums, libraries, and cultural centers to appreciate their collections and offerings. Participate in programs. Engage in educational workshops, lectures, and community activities hosted by these institutions. Volunteer. Many cultural institutions rely on volunteers to assist with events, maintenance, and outreach efforts. Donate. Financial contributions can aid in preservation initiatives and the expansion of programs, ensuring the continued success of these organizations. 5. First-hand experience. A visit to the local museum. During a recent visit to a local museum, I was captivated by the diversity of exhibits, ranging from indigenous artifacts to contemporary art installations. The museum featured an interactive exhibit that employed multimedia storytelling to explore the history of our community. Such experiences exemplify how cultural institutions make history accessible and engaging for audiences of all ages. 6. Conclusion. Cultural institutions are far more than mere repositories of artifacts. They are essential agents in the preservation of history and culture. Their efforts in safeguarding heritage, promoting education, and fostering community engagement are irreplaceable. By supporting these organizations, whether through visits, participation, or donations, we not only protect our past but also enrich our present and shape our future. Every interaction with a museum, library, or cultural center contributes to the continuity of our shared history, ensuring that it remains alive for generations to come.